Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Power off or unlock the watch and lay it face down on a soft cloth to protect the display. Remove any heavy clothing or bracelets that might snag. Locate the existing band's quick-release lever or spring bar notch. This is the first actionable step. Press or slide the release toward the center while gently pulling the strap away. Use steady, controlled pressure so you don't bend the pin. Once the old band is off, inspect the lugs and pins for wear before continuing. Now focus on the intermediate steps. If the band lacks a quick-release lever, use a small flat tool or your fingernail to compress the spring bar inward and free the strap. Make sure to capture the spring bar so it doesn't fly away. Inspect the bar. If it's bent or rusted, replace it. Line up the new band's pin with the lug hole, then compress the spring bar slightly and seat the opposite end into the slot. Hold steady until you hear or feel the click that confirms it's locked in place. Finish by attaching the second strap exactly as you did the first. Align, compress, and seat until you hear a click. Once both sides are installed, pull gently on each strap to confirm it won't detach during daily use. Put the watch on and adjust the clasp or buckle for a snug, comfortable fit. Make sure loops keep excess strap flat. If you experience detachment, reseat the pin and inspect the spring bar. Replace it with a new, slightly thicker bar, if necessary, to ensure a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.